National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Little Lake Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Little Lake Harbor out to mid-lake until 3:15 p.m. At 1:49 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 19 nautical miles north of the Canary Elgin, moving east-northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and rapid water level fluctuations. Source, radar. Intact, small craft could be damaged and briefly winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waikiki Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. A severe